harvesting bell peppers in the garden. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new here, please follow me so that you get updated with all upcoming videos. Hello, welcome to the channel. So today we're harvesting bell peppers in the garden. Our peppers are ready to be harvested. We have quite a few of them that are ready to be harvested, so I'm just going to show you how I'm harvesting the bell peppers in the garden. We have some in the garden over here, and we have some in the greenhouse. So let's go and harvest some of these. You can see the size of these bell peppers. They're really nice and big. So I'm harvesting the green ones and the ripe ones, so we can get it ready and just preserve it in the freezer. Just gonna harvest all the bell peppers that I have here, the large ones anyway, since we still have about a month to go in terms of our season. So I'm gonna harvest the large ones, and the smaller ones I'll let them go, and hopefully in a month's time we should be able to harvest the last ones that are left. So these ones are ready. We're gonna harvest them and just cut them up and then just freeze them and use some right now and then use most of them later on. So I have another stem over here, and this is the first time I'm really planting the bell peppers directly in the garden. Most often I plant it in containers. You'll see the one that I have in containers in the greenhouse in a few minutes, but I mostly plant them. So this year I decided to plant them in the the ground itself, and they came out good. So they're good. You can see even this one over here has quite a few of them on it, hanging on it. So we're able to harvest quite a few from them. So next year I'm just gonna do the same thing, plant some of them in the garden and plant also the other ones in containers, and then just keep going like that. So over here we have another one that we have in containers. Like you can see, you can grow these bell peppers in containers, and you'll still be able to harvest a lot of bell peppers. If you don't have a garden where you can grow them, you can grow them in containers, and still be able to get quite a huge selection of bell peppers. So I use a little tomato cage to support it over here in the container, so at least it's not falling down, and it was able to support it. So it has a few of the smaller ones. I'm just gonna leave these. Maybe in 2 or 3 weeks should be able to harvest the other smaller ones that are there. I'm just harvesting the big ones that are ready, that I can use. I also found a few tomatoes that were ripe, and just said let me just grab it, and we can use it later. So here's what we've had so far. So we're gonna go grab the stuff in the greenhouse. So I'm here in the greenhouse. You can see I'm growing them in 5-gallon containers. You can see how much you have on one stem right here. We have about 7 or 8 on this stem right here, and behind it there's another container with another pepper, which also has a huge selection of pepper ready to be harvested. So in the greenhouse I just have about three containers of bell peppers, and at least you can see they give me good production, and we've been harvesting it throughout the summer, and so we're coming to the end of the season. So that's not bad for a couple of containers of peppers. You're able to get your peppers. It's cheaper and much better than what you get in the store, and you're able to get peppers whenever you want. After you harvest it and save it, you're able to get it. If you want to know how I save mine, leave a comment below. I'll try to see if a lot of people requested it. We might be able to show you that video on how we save our peppers. But so far, if you like the video so far, smash the like button. If you are not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. So you can see a few of them, I just pulled them out and the branches just broke, and so just taking out the branches. And you can see the peppers that we have in there. It's almost like half the 5-gallon container. and that's a good size that we're gonna be able to save and be able to use for a long time. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.